How's it going? We're here for day 119 of Fergus Tuna Day. We're in Glór in Ennis. I'm joined by Amy McFarland and Maria Terrace. Did you get it right? Excellent. They were in town for the concertine weekend, a great weekend of music had here in Ennis, or so I believe. We're going to play what?
Sir Donut's Road. Tim Collins.
Tim Collins tunes, Sir Donut's Road. I just learnt this, so this is great. Great new tunes.
Yep. And you're sorry. No, it's okay.
Thank you very much. Thanks a million. See you tomorrow for 1:20.